To remove stickers from glass or a window, you will need a hairdryer, a flat edge blade, WD-40, and a rag. Here I have a truck cap that I bought with some stickers on it and I want to remove them. First, heat up the sticker with a hairdryer. This loosens up the adhesive glue. Then place the blade flat against the window and take off the sticker. To avoid scratching the window, place the blade flat against the window and it helps to clean off the window before starting. This might leave you with adhesive glue on the window, but don't worry. To remove this, spray WD-40 onto a rag and use the rag to apply WD-40 onto the adhesive glue. I sprayed directly on, but it's better to spray on the rag and avoid having the WD-40 on the paint and spraying elsewhere. Then use the flat blade to clean up the adhesive glue. And here, after all this, I washed the cap. After a good wash, here it is. Nice and clean. Thanks for watching.